Good morning to all. Myself M. Srinivasan. I am Associate Professor, Institute of Engineering Management. Today my topic is Chemical Reaction Engineering and Catalysis. This subject is a great importance in chemical engineering profession. It is necessary to study the principle of kinetics and catalysis, which will provide knowledge in understanding chemical reaction mechanisms. The primary purpose of chemical reaction engineering is optimization of chemical reactors, feed composition, and operating conditions. Catalysis is the process of increasing the rate of chemical reaction by adding a substance is known as catalyst, which is not consumed in the catalyzed reaction and can continue to act repeatedly. Because of this, only very small amount of catalyst are required to alter the reaction rate. In most cases, in general, chemical reaction occur faster in the presence of a catalyst because the catalyst provides an alternative reaction pathway with a lower activation energy than the non-catalyzed mechanism. The objective of this study is after completion of the study, the student will able to understand about the rate at which the reaction occur and its order. Second, specify the condition for the feasibility of the reaction. Third is explain the role of catalyst on a chemical reaction. Fourth one is differentiate different types of reactors used in chemical industry and their application. Topic wise distribution of periods is given by the State Council of Odisha. We have 5 topics. From that, first topic is chemical kinetics. It is 15 periods we have to study. Second topic is interpretation of batch reactor data. Periods is 20 periods. Catalysis, it is having 10 periods. Fourth chapter is reactors. It is having 20. This is 10 periods. Chemical equilibrium is 5 periods. So totally this is 60 periods. So when we are going to course content, chemical kinetics, we will go through the classification of chemical reaction, rate of reaction, rate constant, elementary and non-elementary reactions, molecularity and order of reaction, Arrhenius equation, concept of activation energy, half-life reaction. Last one is solve problems to determine order of reaction and activation energy. This thing will go through the systematically. Thank you very much.